Hi, my name is Willie. I have a shop in Huntington Beach called Willys Auto Service at 7542 Warner Avenue. Been in Huntington Beach 25 years. We're doing most of the customers' cars, import, domestic, European, BMWs, all kind of cars. We do all kind of repairs, diagnostics, engine repairs, ACs, and we even fix windows regulators, brake systems. Try us, come here, and we help you out. We'll do the best to take care of you, especially diagnostics, check engine light. We take care of that for you. Phone number is 714-842-3161. Come us and see us. Have a good day.